Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we have the 2010 Toyota Tundra, and we're gonna show you the seat covers inside here. This is the genuine leather custom seat covers in here with a black perforated leather for the insert, gray vinyl for the trim, and a black stitching. Both front and rear on this crew cab looks super cool. Let's walk through all the steps and show you here. Let's do it. Okay, let's check these covers out inside here. This is the black perforated for the insert section. It's the gray vinyl for the trim. Looks really nice pairing these two together, and a lot of the times we've done black for the trim and gray for the insert, but I actually like how this turned out with doing gray for the trim, the gray vinyl here, and then black perforated. And again, this middle section, this is the genuine leather perforated section right here. Okay, so that's the genuine leather part, and this trim side here is a simulated leather or a vinyl for the trim. And there's black stitching contrasting against that gray vinyl. Really look nice, just awesome combo here. You can see how nice this fit and finish is on this driver bottom here. I do have a full install video teaching you how to put all this on. It's a little tricky around the lumbar knob section, but we cover that in the install video, teaching you how to put that on. And it just tucks in right here, just looks really nice. I mean, this is originally was a cloth seat, and this is a leather seat cover on top of it now. So genuine leather and vinyl for the trim. And it's just a really nice finished look now on top of these cloth seats. It's gonna protect the cloth, but also almost converts it now to a leather look for the interior. Now this style of seat covers, the genuine leather seat covers, is really designed for cloth seats. So if your original seats are cloth, then this is an option for you if you have a vehicle that we have a pattern available for. And you could put these on top of your cloth seats and really make it for a nice leather look. Now let's check out the 20 section. So again, these seats, the front seats in this Tundra are the 40, 20, 40 seats. The 20 section is your middle seat that folds up like this right here. And as you can see, the top of this 20 section here has these little storage compartments. Very unique top 20 section for the different storage. So the genuine leather seat cover is going to cover everything that's cloth. So since these are hard plastic, they're not covered, but it does allow you to still use those storage compartments there. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you there. And you can fold this up, and there's going to be a separate cover for this back right here, and then also a separate cover for the bottom storage section. So you can pull that up and see that you still have access to your bottom storage, and everything is covered. And again, it's really these covers are really designed to cover everything that's cloth to make it look and feel like leather seats inside here now. Okay, so that's how you can see the 20 section is all still functional and covered up nice and good there. Now on the back side of these seats, so both the driver and passenger back sides, they're gonna come with a rear mat pocket, just a large pocket like this, and that's sewn out of the whatever vinyl trim you choose, whatever color you choose there. So the vinyl is gonna come down the back side, and this pocket's gonna be sewn out of that right there. And that's a nice pocket just for storing some gear inside there, light jackets, binoculars, whatever else you wanna put inside that back pocket. Just a nice, kind of mimics your OEM pockets that would normally come on the back side of your seats. Now we've moved on to show you the back seat. Again, this is the crew cab on this Tundra, and so you can see that it does have the center armrest coming out. Now these seats are the 60 section and 40, so they're called the 60-40 seat with the center armrest and 3 headrests back here. So that's how you identify those seats. And just a nice looking set back here with this genuine leather, black perforated insert and the gray for the trim and black stitching. Turned out awesome inside here. Now, as you can see, you're still gonna get full functionality of the seats, and I'm gonna show you that here, where everything's gonna be able to fold down. The child seat attachment bars are still gonna be available. You can fold that back up here. All of your seat belts will still have cutouts as well. So then each seat belt will have its own section to make sure you can still lock in there. I have a full install video showing you how to put these on, and just so you can see that, again, everything is covered. All the cloth now is covered with that either genuine leather or vinyl here, and just looks awesome inside here. here's that armrest coming down right here and just trims out so nice around right there. Again, I have an install video showing you how to tuck all this in, make it look really nice like that.
Awesome.
So we'll bring this down so you can see that everything folds and functions just how it should. Child seat attachments are still accessible here. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more videos like this, go to coversandcamo.com. Also, that's the place where you can get a set built for your vehicle and see more photos and videos of different styles, leather, camouflage, all different kinds of fabrics there for a lot of different vehicles. And the place to go to is coversandcamo.com. Thanks.